What's up, YouTube? Stout Sports Cards and More coming back at you with another video here. Yes, Jabs Family Patreon box. I upgraded start of the year to the $99 box with 105 or 106 or whatever it is. If anybody knows his email, please let me know. I got to figure out how to email this guy and get a hold of him. Because I changed my subscription to the $99 box in the middle of December after he had already sent out the $51 tier. So I paid for the $51 tier. He sent them out, and then I signed up for this one thinking it would just charge me on the 1st, and it charged me on the 19th of December, like the rest of the money to make it a $100 box. But obviously I only got the $50 box because it was already sent out. So I need to get a hold of him, work something out. I should have $50-some off my next one anyways, but because I paid on the 1st, the 19th, and then the 1st again. So, but anyways, this is the first series, the first time I bought a $99 box. So let's just see how the $99 box or the $100 tier works out. First time I've ever done the $100 tier, and I grabbed a knife this time, so you guys are not going to see me struggle. I still should have brought my blade, but I just grabbed a quick kitchen knife. So there's 3 boxes. Oh, okay, there's quite a bit in there. $99 donation, Patrons exclusive, 6 newer packs on open baseball cards. Sent you 2 newer Sealers blasters, 1 fat pack. Hanger box per month, thank you for that. I included a bonus for the December month since you upgraded, and I'd already sent you a $51 tier. I owed you a 1 blaster, 2 additional packs, and a fat pack from that month. There we go. Appreciate it. Jabs, awesome. So that worked. I included the balance. So he sent me a $100 tier and a $51 tier. So this is not what you're going to get a $100 tier. This is actually the one that he owes me technically because I bought 2. But yeah, so I guess we're good. So we took care of that. I was wondering why I had so much in here. But we have Heritage, Archives, and Gypsy Queen. I don't know if you can see that. Let's get that down. We have a thing of packs, it looks like. And then a fat pack. And a bunch of popcorn. So, make sure there's nothing else in there. We're good. So let's move this stuff back. And let's see what kind of packs we got. Try to just rip it. I don't want to accidentally poke a pack. So, this is not a $100 tier. This is actually like a $151 tier. But it works for me. Nice little Series 2. And then some hobby stuff. We'll just get to ripping. Trying to remember what names we're looking for in this. Obviously rookie stuff. I want to say Series 2 was Padres guy, Jake. Cronenworth? Yeah, Cronenworth was one of them. There is a gold. My cat's coming up here. 10 of 20 of Aaron Barrett. Johnny Bench. Pete Alonso. Turkey Red of Fernandez. Remoto Victor Robles. Altuve. Hold on one second. My cat almost knocked the food off. Will you leave the cat alone? Go on, cool it down. Stop. Every time I get involved, the cat and the dog are about to start fighting. But whatever. I need to take this downstairs to my office. Oh, I got a hot pack. Nice. I got to get these lined up right because I always do this on the wrong. So that's a hot box maybe. Larry Walker, Don Sutton, DeYoung, Brinkley. What is that, like a volleyball player? I don't know. Stroman. Buzz Bissinger. We got a mini of Acuna. It's not a bad one, I guess. Hot packing didn't get nothing. Oh, that's why I hate this friggin' Allen and Ginter stuff. Too much, a bunch of BS, but I guess you just never know. Alright, this was Series 1. Nope, this is the update series. Which is all these. Mount KSO debut. Tariq Skubal, just because it's PC stuff. Kyle Tucker. Joe Adell rookie debut. Another Series 2 update. No, why did I keep saying Series 2? Another update. Trevor Williams. John Means is no hitter. I actually watched that game. Tyler Alexander. Nice little Ted Williams insert. I'll put it there just to sleeve it up. Rookie debut. I always said just Trammell. Taylor Trammell. Archives. I really like this card. I think they're undervalued. Same as Select for like football and stuff. Pujols. MVP. Mitch Haniger. Tariq Skubal rookie. Hank Aaron. And Miggy. Let's go. What are these? Topps Heritage. Machado. Ona. Rodriguez. Wingo 3000. Salvador Perez. Mike Minor. Fraley. And Trey Mancini. Probably one comeback out of Player of the Year. Having cancer, I believe it was him that had it. Eddie Alvarez, Alex Kirilloff, that's not a bad one. The guy that slept with Cecil Fielder's wife that caused a fight in the Tigers dugout that injured Cabrera. Taylor Trammell. That took like 2 years afterwards before anybody found out what really happened. Chris Bryant. I'm just filling this box. When I fill this box, I'll go through and pull out all the rookie cards, and that's how I separate them. Will Castro. Clint Frazier. All right. Let's get into this. Series 2. Skip all these and move these to the back. Oops. Ooh. I guess maybe it ain't an ooh. Alright. Alright, here we go. Rookies, Frazier. Brandon Belt. Dylan Cease. Nala. Nala, get over here. Leave the kitty alone. Hold on, guys. Nala, get in your cage, now. You be bad, you go to jail. Simple as that. All right. Got here Kluber. Team. A lot of teams. It's hard to tell with the rookies this year because of the fact that they didn't play last year. This is a retro. This is why it was weird. I mean, it's the Cincinnati Reds, but retro logo, numbered to 99. That's a pretty cool card, though. Cincinnati Reds fans will buy that. This is 2021 Clint Frazier, Juan Soto. That was my favorite player of all time right there, Canseco. It was between Canseco and Ripken. Tatis, Carlson rookie. DeGrom. And he had a damage right there in his face. And Cody Bellinger. They just signed him to a cheap contract. Compared to all these other guys getting these huge contracts, he got a cheap one. I wasn't paying too much attention to what he did this year, but he earned a pretty big paycheck, and he only got, I think, $7 million. Was it 7 or 17? 7.5? I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up because I knew it was just weird how all these guys are getting big paychecks and prove it year. Is there a big fatty in there? No. I've had really good luck with Heritage, and I said it on my last video, actually, about getting autographs. Christian Walker, Rizzo, Mauer, Glavine. I think that's a pretty good rookie. Goldschmidt, Albie. How's the Albies? So weird watching those two in the dugout like they're like, ooh, what is that? I don't know what that is, but it looks cool. Carlos Correa, Joe Carter. He was my hero. I love the Blue Jays too. And I like the Blue Jays right now with Bichette and Guerrero and Biggio. Kind of guys I grew up watching. Mookie Betts, Frazier, Anthony Rendon. Little refractor thing. Christian Javier. But Joe Carter, everybody knows, 93 World Series. Mitch Williams, walk-off home run, Game 7 World Series. Ken Griffey Jr. I just like Ken Griffey so much, I'm going to put that there. What is this? Al Kaline. I'll sleeve it. The Swinging A's. I've never seen anything like that.